Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 operating system. In the first step, right click on taskbar, then select task manager. Once we are here, we need to select run new task, then select browse button. Once we are here, we need to go to this PC, then open C drive, then we need to open Windows folder, then find out system32 folder. Here it is. Double click on it to open it, then find out cmd.exe. Simply select it and click on open. Now check this box and this will be your main path: C drive, Windows folder, system32 and cmd.exe. Once you check this box, it will open with administrative privileges, so click on OK. So once we are here, we need to execute some commands, so type all these commands carefully and simply hit enter to execute them. In the first command, we need to type in gpedit and hit enter. So this will take around 4 to 5 seconds to complete the process, and once done, we will move to the next command, that will be gp result and hit enter. And once done, we will type in gp update space /force and hit enter. This one also takes around 4 to 5 seconds to complete the process. Then simply go to search bar, then go to search bar, type your services and click here to open it. So on this window, just search for group policy client. So here it is. So right click on it, select properties, make sure the startup type is set as automatic and click on apply and then OK. Once done, just close this window and execute the last command, that will be gpedit.msc and hit enter. So it will open local group policy editor automatically. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go. Please like the video and do subscribe our channel.